Hey chefs, Chef P here. Here's another addition to the series In the Kitchen with Chef P. Okay, chefs, so here we're going to be making cucumber pickles today. And in here, in 2-quart jars, these are bowl jars, I have sliced cucumbers here. These aren't crinkle cut, these are straight cuts, a little bit more rustic. And also have spears here as well. So I use 2 whole cucumbers instead of pickling cucumbers, in which 1 cucumber will fit into each of these jars, which is fantastic. So with that, use a little bit of dill weed. These are awesome for making everything soups. This is good on chicken, it's good on fish. It's also good in dips as well. I used this today for our picklings, for the pickling spice, and I also use a little bit of McCormick pickling spice. So with that, has everything. All you need in these are basically if it'll load up here. Here we go. Okay. So all you need of this is basically about a half a teaspoon of each, half to about a whole teaspoon would be great. It depends how much spice you want into it. I have it cooking off here. So use a cup of water, which I actually kind of mimicked the recipe a little bit for this round. A little bit of an experiment, rather, in fact. Use 1 whole ball container. So it's about 26 cups or 800 millimeters. Okay, don't fill all the way to the top. Don't fill it up to 32 ounces. Or not 26 cups. It's actually 26 ounces. My bad. And which is equivalent to about 3.5 cups. So of that water, I only use a cup of vinegar. It's usually about equal proportions. I reduce the vinegar down a little bit, only because this recipe I use a half of a day onion, or sweet onion you can also use, and 1 large clove of garlic. Some recipes call for you don't cook anything off. I'm actually cooking everything in the pot here. So I got all my garlic, my spices. I went a little bit overboard on the spices because I like the flavor. And also the onions as well that you see there. You just kind of let that cook off a little bit. Let that come down to a simmer. Come up to a simmer. Let it reduce down a little bit more to get more flavor. So this way, when the pickles or the cucumbers are pickling in the pickling mixture here that we have, it will actually become more flavorful, more of a punch to it. Not a pungent or a pungent flavor, or like a little pucker. It'll have that pucker to it, but it also have the blast of all the different types of flavors that are in there as well. Also too, these will go great with everything. I usually, sometimes I just have it with a sandwich. So, all right, with that, we're gonna cut the video out here a little bit just so we can let this simmer and reduce down a little bit. Okay, chefs, now we're going to, this has simmered, or pickling spice mix has simmered, and we're going to go ahead and start pouring it into the ball jars that are filled with the pickles. Now, you want to do this in the sink here, because if any liquid does decide to spill out, you can be easily cleaned up in the sink. Now you do want them kind of filled up to the brim there, just so when you pack it, when you put the lid on there, it can get a nice seal to it, and you won't have that little poppiness. And I cooled it down just slightly, about not even 2-3 minutes, just to cool it down. And then you put the lid on. If I put that down right. There we go. The lid down, just like so. So you get the little pop going on here. Put your thumb down like so. That's what it's supposed to say. It needs it nice and tight. And now for the other one. There we go. Then we just throw it right into the fridge. Just let it sit for 24 hours overnight. And with that being said, that is a quick and simple way to make pickles. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more videos, and there'll be a video somewhere over here on your screen. Go ahead and click on that if you are a music guy that loves music as much as I do. I like to listen to music. I don't have any music on today, but you could also click this other video that's on your screen as well. That is my most recent video that I have of the Chef Hour Radio. Go on over there and click on that, whichever corner it may be in, and give it a listen to it. You'll be surprised at what chefs like to listen to. With that being said, chefs, I'll see you next time.
Hey chefs, don't forget to hop on over to the official Chef Hour store where you can get your Chef Hour Radio merchandise. Chef Hour News merchandise is still to come. And you can even check out our old Chef's Hour merchandise that we had back on air at 107.9 WRML. Pretty cool logo there, so don't forget to go check that out. Link will be in the description. And keep stopping in and checking back soon because there is more merchandise to come. If you purchase today to April 30th, you'll be able to receive a 25% discount off with just Home Chef 25 as your promo code at checkout. Again, that promo code is Home Chef 25. I'll catch you chefs later.